Alright guys, welcome to box break number 4 of 12. This is our eBay box break seller DP mode, and the number on this one is 205718418. Okay guys, good luck. Box break number 4. Bonus pack will save till the end of the box. $20 packs a box and 1 bonus pack. Good luck guys. Okay, we start off with a double diamond of PK Subban for the Habs, and then we have a double diamond jersey of Anze Kopitar for the LA Kings. So move this over, box number 3. So our eBay box breaks, guys. We'll be right on to do our regular breaks here. Give us a sec. We have a quad diamond rookie of Jonathan Drouin for the Tampa Bay Lightning. That's it, first live rookie card. We have a ruby rookie gem, triple diamond of Ryan Sproul, numbered 92 of 150 for the Detroit Red Wings. On the back there it's numbered. Single diamond pack. We got our quad diamond veteran. It is of Wayne Gretzky. So this is NHL All-Star. (1994) NHL All-Star game. So it's on the back. So I'll double check, but I believe he was still with the St. Louis Blue. The LA Kings there. I'll double check that. If you look at the last year's stats, yeah, it still shows Kings, but I'll double check the 1994 All-Star game. Have a look at the symbol right there. Okay, but I believe that's an LA King card. Anyone watching knows, let me know. We got a couple in here, something different. We got an autograph. Okay, we got a triple diamond first, Theron Fleury for the Flames. I'll keep that here, so we'll check after, guys. Triple diamond for the Flames. And then we got a gemography autograph of Austin Watson for the Nashville Predators. We got a double diamond here of Brent Seabrook for the Hawks. We have a double jersey of Chris Kunitz for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Single diamond pack. Google it for me. Just 1994 All-Star game. What month it was played? We got a quad diamond vet. It's of Ray Bourque. And obviously he played more games with the Bruins, so that'll be for the Boston Bruins. Yeah, the stats again on the back will say Boston there. So it usually shows the stats. So the other one is Gretzky for the Kings. The guy just checked too. And then we have a William Karlsson triple diamond rookie gem for the Ducks. Next one is a double diamond of Guy Lafleur for the Montreal Canadiens. Single diamond pack. We have a triple diamond rookie gem. It is of Corbin Knight for the Calgary Flames. We have a double diamond. It is of Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings. Oops. Got a triple diamond vet. What's this? Just a single diamond, flip backwards. Shea Weber for the Predators. We have a double diamond of Corey Schneider for the Devils. We have a rookie gem triple of Dennis Evenberg for the Colorado Avalanche. We have a double diamond of Phil Esposito for the Boston Bruins. And then we got a triple diamond of Carey Price for the Montreal Canadiens. That was our last pack. Put the commons away, and then here's our bonus pack. We have a single diamond, Dion Phaneuf for Toronto. Triple diamond rookie of Greg McKaig for Toronto. And a triple diamond vet of Patrice Bergeron for the Bruins. So that's it for box break number 4, and that does go to the Kings. Thank you. Box 5 and 6 will most likely be done tomorrow, if you guys are all in that one too. Okay guys, thank you, and the video link will be sent shortly and up on YouTube.